Want to make faceless videos? Here is how to use AI tools to help you make faceless videos in 5 minutes or less. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. Give it any topic you want and literally just say, "Hey, ChatGPT, can you make me a 5-minute video script about this topic?" Done. Step 2. Go to Speechify.com. You're going to take that text, upload it, and hit generate, and it's going to auto-generate you an audio file speaking out that very script. Step 3. Go to invideo.io. Here you're going to upload the audio, the script, and hit create video. This site has lots of standard stock footage. It'll put it all together, and all you do is hit output, and it'll create you a video. If you do want to use a face video, go to movio.la, upload that script and pick a face, and they'll output a video of the person talking to your video. And finally, if this is something you are going to do, I would start with using either of these 3 niches: health, wealth, or relationships. And this is how you can make money from it. Take those videos, upload them to YouTube, do this at least once a day. Be as consistent as possible and wait till YouTube starts sending you those payments. Now go out there and do this. Do